Headache is the commonest reason for a neurologist consultation, and headache can result from various disorders which range from a simple migraine to a very complex problem like choking of a vein in the brain or bleeding in the brain. So, from a common man's perspective, headache can be divided into two types like primary headache and secondary headache. Primary headache are those disorders which come with a normal brain imaging and normal neurological examination, but still the patient is having headache. Various disorders which come in this category are like migraine, tension type of headache, cluster headache, and like that. While in secondary headache, the neurologist after examination find abnormalities in the patient's examination and abnormalities in the scan like magnetic resonance imaging, which might show the etiology for the headache problem. Various reasons which result into secondary headache can be like venous sinus thrombosis or choking of a vein in the brain, or some swelling in the brain because of acute disseminated encephalomyelitis, infection in the brain like meningitis or encephalitis, and bleeding in the brain because of various reasons. Migraine is the commonest type of headache disorder which results from some chemical disturbances in the brain which lead to excessive pulsatility of the blood vessels in the brain. Migraine can cause frequent episodic headaches which are associated with sensitivity to light and sound, and it can significantly hamper the quality of life of the patient. Migraine can be treated with various medications depending on the age, sex, and comorbidities of the patient. The neurologist, after going through history and examination, decides the treatment plan for the patient and selects the medicine which is best suitable for the patient characteristics. Migraine needs to be treated for at least 4 to 6 months with medications which are universally recognized as medications to provide secondary prophylaxis for migraine. These medications have to be taken on a daily basis for at least 4 to 6 months, along with some lifestyle adjustments and adequate sleep. Migraine can be treated with at least 70 to 80% success rate. There are various newer therapies which are emerging for migraine management, and one of them has been an injectable therapy for calcitonin related peptide antagonist, which are the root cause for getting migraine.